JamilaJoyce.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got nothing else to do, medyo may free time tayo, that's why I decided to do a vlog. But this morning sabi ko mag-vlog ako pero wala akong content. So good thing guys, I saw one corner of my condo unit na medyo makalat because of the PR packages. Kasi every time nakaka-receive ako ng PR package, tinatambak ko yan sa isang sulok, tapos iniipon ko na yan guys. That's why meron tayong content for this vlog. So without further ado, let's start this unboxing vlog in 3, 2, 1. Also guys, I decided to include some of the Christmas gifts that I've received already. Though some of my Christmas gifts are still on its way dahil may mga delay yung mga delivery couriers natin dahil probably most of us decided to have our Christmas gifts be delivered na lang instead of giving it personally dahil medyo malabo makakapagkita-kita. Let's start with the big packages first. Nang magpapakalayo-layo kasi medyo malaki itong nasa harapan ko, which is the PR package from Sample Room and Trimsel. So, they sent me their latest product. I've already opened this package because nung na-deliver sa akin, may damage na itong box. That's why medyo na-trigger ako na buksan siya just to check kung hindi na-damage yung products inside. This is what they sent me. They sent me two conditioner, which is the Rich Moisture and the Rich Lustre. I don't know if I did pronounce it correctly, kung lustre, I don't know. Feeling ko lustre kasi ang endorser nito is sinagling lustre. So, ewan. Actually, mas gusto ko tong Rich Moisture. Para siyang scent ng lotion. Parang ang tamis niya, guys. Sobrang okay to sa akin. And they also sent me scented candles, which I really love, guys. Lalo na tong bamboo. Because ever since I got my own place, ang hilig kong bumili ng mga scents for my humidifier. And most na binibili kong scent is the bamboo because nakaka-refresh lang siya, guys. They also sent me pang tita, which I really love. And this is very useful actually, guys. Laging meron akong essential oil sa bag ko. So, yan. They sent me 2 essential oils. This one is the sunflower rose oil, and the other one is the coconut oil, sweet almond, and aloe extract. Actually, nung inamoy ko to, sabi ko, hindi siya pang essential oil na amoy, na parang nakakahilo, na parang amoy mo agad na pang matanda ganyan. That's why I really love it. So, next package is from Sample Room also. So, tiba-tiba tayo ng mga packages from Sample Room. This is actually from Sample Room and Ambipure. Nagamit ko na yung isang spray, which is the color pink. I forgot kung anong variant yon. But this blue is the extra strength. And this orange one is the antibacterial. This is very helpful ngayong pandemic, guys. And don't you know na sobrang tuwang-tuwa ako every time I receive packages na pangbahay. Ewan ko. Legit tita na talaga ako, guys. And the next package is this one. So, this is from Globe. Let's put it. Okay, so a tote bag with a print virtual spin party. Oh, I remember this one na kasi sumali ako sa Livesmith virtual party nila last week. So inside this tote bag are a water bottle. Good thing merong water bottle, guys. Kasi ilang water bottle na nasisira ko ever since I started working out. Kasi ang hilig kong ilagay yung mga water bottles ko sa freezer. And pag binubuksan ko na siya the next day, basag siya. Kasi hindi pala dapat pini-freezer yung mga ganitong bottles. Nasisira siya, guys. Lalo na pagkapuno ng water talaga. Masisira at masisira. And the other one, I think t-shirt to. I will not open it na guys. Kasi tinatamad akong mag-fold after it. So ayan, may plain siyang Globe LifeSmith via Shure. So again, thank you Globe. Actually, parang may ina-expect pa akong package from them. Hindi ata sabay-sabay na pinadala guys. Another package from Sample Room. So this is the package from Sample Room and Pond's. So ayan, meron tayong customized bag. And inside this bag, oh, there's a letter, Dear Pond's Girl, Keme Keme, ayan na. Sinamad magbasa. They sent me a face mask with the logo of Pond's. They also sent me refreshing face mist. Actually, parang ito yung latest product ng Pond's. If I'm not mistaken. Oh, this is the Natural Rose Extract. Bango niya. Other one is the Refreshing Face Wipes, which is very useful nowadays. Kahit hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay, guys, ayan, meron akong wipes dito sa loob ng unit. Aside from alcohol, wipes, face mask, they also sent me facial foam. So, thank you, Pond's and Sample Room. Let's go with fitness naman. Lubid sent me this one. It's a weighted bead rope. Thank you, Lubid, for sending this weighted bead ropes. Lately kasi, ang hilig ko din mag-workout using jumping ropes. Pero, the one that I'm using, hindi siya masyadong nakaka-enganyo kasi ang bilis niyang mabuhol. So, hopefully, this will work for me. Pero, feeling ko, babawasan ko to ng beads. This is not my length. I have another package na all about fitness, which is from Total Sports. Wait lang. Ayusin natin dito guys, para hindi makalat. So yeah, Total Sports sent me also a 4 pounds dumbbell. Ayan, nabuksan ko na siya actually guys. Kasi ang bigat niya sa box nang inakyat ko dito. Actually, hindi ako yung nag-akyat. Nag-offer yung guard sa akin na mamakyat ko na lang kasi ang bigat. So, ayan, binuksan na namin kasi hiwa-hiwalay kaming nagbuhat. So, 4 pounds dumbbell and a resistance loop band. So, merong light, medium, heavy, and extra heavy. So, thank you Total Sports. Eto guys, natatawa ko sa package na to. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nila ako pinadalhan ng ganito. A Batman. And, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa mga toys na ganito. Basta, ganito siya. I don't know what am I gonna do with this. Pero thank you na din. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam saan nila nakuha yung idea na mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. In which, I'm not. Pero still thankful guys. I might gonna display it here sa unit para hindi siya masaya. So, another package is from Silka. Ayan siya. Oh my God. So, they sent me facial cleanser, deodorant, and an herbal soap. So, thank you, Silka. Matutuwa siguro yung mommy ko if she's here. Kasi, sabi niya, pag may mga pinapadala mga packages sa'yo na extra ka, padalhan mo naman ako. Or natutuwa siya every time na pupunta siya dito sa place ko. Then, makikita niya na ang dami kong mga supply, hindi niya alam ng mga PR packages. Kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-grocery guys na magre-restock ng magre-restock. Parang nanghihinayang kasi ako. So, what I usually do, pag ubos na yung gamit ko or yung supply ko, dun pala ako nag-grocery. Anyway, let's proceed with the next one. Actually, this is not a PR package. Christmas gift na to from Mayor Isko. I already posted this on my story and sobrang bigat niya, guys. Mga relief goods, actually. Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mayor ng Manila ngayon. Kasi even if I stay here at a condo unit, lahat nakakatanggap ng mga ayuda. Even nung nag-start ng pamigay ng relief goods nung nag-start yung pandemic, kaya nakatanggap din kami dito sa condo unit. So, walang mahirap mayaman para kay Isko Moreno. Lahat makakatanggap sa Maynila. Inside this box, we have sweet blend spaghetti sauce, macaroni pasta, cheese, tapos 2 kilos of rice. Actually, nagamit ko na yung 1 kilo of white rice. You also have spaghetti noodles, fruit cocktail, and assorted canned goods. Like, we have ham loaf, caldereta, machado, another ham loaf. So, at least, nag-i-improve yung mga politicians natin. Of course, hindi din papatalo ang Amaya Skies, guys. Namigay din sila ng gifts. It's just a simple gift, pero at least useful din yung binigay nila. So, each unit, binigyan nila ng disposable face mask. 1 box of it. And a mag with a print. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Amaya Skies Santa Mesa Condominium Corporation Family. Actually, magagamit ko to kasi kakabasag lang ng mug ko, guys. This is from my Ate Marichu and Kuya HB. Sobrang naaliw ako dito sa packaging niya. So, there's a letter. Merry Christmas and prosperous 2021 to you from Hughes, Chu, and Matt. So, thank you, Ate Chu and Kuya HB. Ayan siya. Open ko na din siya actually, guys. Something that I can display here at my home. So, meron naka-engrave na Inspire. And may sinamang laminated na photo which you can insert it here. Ayan siya. Ganyan ang mangyayari sa kanya. Yan. So, this is so cute. And also, guys, I've got a gift from my friend here dito sa condo unit. Sila yung pinaka-close ko na resident dito sa condo unit and nakikinanay ako sa nanay niya. Thank you to Tita Susan and Earl for sending me banana cake. I really love banana cake, guys. They're so thoughtful kasi naaalala nila ako kapag like, kunwari, nung bumagyo, kasi mag-isa ako dito sa condo unit, magme-message sa akin kung anong need kong help, kung okay lang ako dito sa condo unit. So, thank you sa concern, guys. I'm so touched. And, yeah. More blessings to your family, Tita Susan and Earl. Last but not the least, so this is from my friend because we had our Christmas gathering last week sa may Santa Rosa ba yun? I don't know kung anong place yun. Pero to, this one is from Ferds and Mean. So, they gave me a bodysuit. And sobrang hilig ko ng bodysuit lately. Yan. And, good thing they got me the extra small size. Kasi yung small, guys, medyo maluwag na sa akin, sa totoo lang. Nax, Terra Nova, yung brand, yayamanin. So, thank you, Ferds and Mean. Makikita nyo na to sa mga future IG post ko. And also, guys, meron pa pala, humabol. Nakalimutan ko. An IG shop sent me an alkansya, which is, napapaisip din kasi ako last week na parang gusto kong bumili ng alkansya, yung parang piso savings pa to. Ay, peso cents ipon challenge 2021. So, good thing hindi pa ako umu-order or hindi pa ako nakakabili sa labas because an IG shop sent me this peso cents ipon challenge kasi gusto ko challenging sarili ko. I'm not just challenging myself pagdating sa fitness, pero gusto ko din i-challenging sa sarili ko sa pagtitipid ngayon and pag-iipon ngayong 2021. So, hopefully, guys, matatapos ko tong challenge na to. And successfully ko matatapos yung challenge na to. Oh my God, lahat yata nasasamurin ko. Dapat ilalagay ko sa alkansyang ko. Yeah, that's all about my vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Kahit konting unboxing lang to guys. And pasensya na, it's my first time to do an unboxing vlog. Medyo magulo pa ako mag-unboxing vlog. But anyway, I hope to see you on my next vlog. And Merry Christmas guys and Happy New Year. Please do subscribe on my YouTube channel and click the notification bell button on the side so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload or so you won't miss out any of my vlogs. I'll see you on my next vlog guys. Bye!